everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to fix the calculator app on your Windows PC or laptop. So if your calculator is not opening or keeps crashing, don't worry. Today in this video, we'll go through step-by-step solutions to get it working again. So what we can do first of all is restart the calculator. So you can press Control plus Shift plus ESC, this one right here, and open up your task manager. Or you can just head over in the search bar right here and type in task manager directly and open it up or run it as administrator. Once you do so, you should be finding a task manager on your screen. Now what you can do is basically look out for calculator here, find it up. If you have opened it up, let me just show you. So once you open up calculator like this, you'll be finding the calculator app being available in this processes section here, right here. So once you find it, you can just go ahead and right click on it. After you do so, you'll be finding option to end task. Go ahead and find it and click on it. And once you end the task, you can just go ahead and close this up and again restart your calculator app. So we can just go ahead and search for calculator again and hit open, and there we go. And try it out and see if that works on your device or not. Apart from that, what you can do is reset the calculator app. So for that, open up your settings here, go over here, go to settings, open it up, and from settings you can go over and find the apps option on your left hand menu. Click on it. And once you click on apps, you may just go over and scroll down to calculator under installed apps, or you can directly search for apps here. So let me just go ahead and search for calculator, and you can find the application here, and you can just go ahead and click on this three dot, click on it, and you can look out for this option called advanced option. And from here, scroll down and you will be finding option called reset repair. You can try repairing it, or if that doesn't work, you can click on reset and try resetting it, and that will refresh the app without affecting the rest of your system. If that didn't work, what you can do is reinstall the calculator app on your device. So you can go open the Microsoft Store. You can go to the search or directly open up Microsoft Store. And once you open up your Microsoft Store, you may just go ahead and search for calculator in your Windows. Right here, go to the search at the top, and here type in calculator and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can look out for your calculator. There are a bunch of other calculator available also. Look out for the one that you think is best for you and look out for install option. Once you find it out, click on install. Or if there is any update available, look for update option, and that should help you fix it. And that is it. You may try out these solutions and see if that works or not. Or you can re-register the calculator app at last step, which is for Windows PowerShell. So you can just go over here, type in Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator here and give access. After you give access, you may just go ahead and copy this particular code right here. We will be leaving it in the description box, which is right here. So you can just head over and copy this right here and paste it in Windows PowerShell right here. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and hit enter and restart your PC and check it again, and that should help you. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your calculator app. If it worked for you, drop a like and let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes, and thank you.